this is the final result. We have fixed this air fryer. It was a Hisense air fryer. It was dead and no power. So watch the following video to see what we did in order to fix it. Right. So today we've got this air fryer. I'm not sure about the brand. We've got this air fryer. The brand it's a Hisense air fryer. It's not coming on, and I've already opened on the PCB. Here you can already see the MOV is bent and the fusible resistor is bent there. So two components that are visibly bent, but it's really just two components. Sometimes it could be lucky because of the MOV. Maybe the MOV sensed over voltage and shorted out the live and neutral, causing the fuse to blow. That's cutting power or out of the gadget. But flipping it over, I see there is a component there drawn. They look similar. There's two of them and they look similar. The other one looks fine. Not sure whether it's fine indeed, but looks fine. Then the other one is blown. Top cover is blown. So probably they are the same IC. It's written Q1 and Q2. Could be... Well, I will have to trace to see what is connected. It's TR, so it's it's Q. It's written Q. Q usually for a transistor, but something tells me that this can't be a transistor. Shouldn't be a transistor, because I can see on this one the lead is connecting to this fan, and then on the other one also, its output is connecting to the fan, and these are AC fans, both of them. So if they're AC fans, should be triacs, and they should be the same because they're controlling the same gadget. So even if the cover is blown on top, I think I can be safe to use the part number of that one to replace the other one. So right, by the look of it, I've already determined that one of these fans is bent. The one where the track that was bent was connected, which is, if you trace the wires, it's which one is it? Okay, let me confirm again, because the readings are different. But what I was measuring is, oh yes, that's it. So this one, the readings on this one are different from the readings on this one. These readings are much smaller, like some of the windings are shorted. So maybe if the winding got shorted, that means they triggered the shorting out of this triac that I've already removed here. So the fan is also bent. So in addition to these that we still need to replace, we need to also change the fan, but these are definitely gone. Right, so this is the air fryer. I ended up putting a little power module here. Because I could not get the IC. So this is what I ended up doing. But it's gonna work, it's gonna be fine. The thing is, this relay, it uses 5 volts. This is a 5 volt relay, and then the other components also, the display also uses 5 volts. So that's why I ended up putting that power module. Okay, so this is the final job. Both fans are running, and the heating elements are also working. I replaced the track. I got an equivalent track. I couldn't get the exact one, but I got an equivalent, which I have already soldered in. So these two triacs, they control both fans. But this track is an extra load, which is the light there. So this one, you can safely say that it's fixed. This one is fixed.